Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today I'd like to announce that we have partnered with Bluegrass Performance Products out of Kentucky. Jamie and his staff have been producing United States manufactured products for over a decade and have been providing some of the biggest names in the industry with parts since 2014. They are a family owned business and you can check out all the parts they have to offer at their website found here, or there'll be a link to the description below. And if you get a chance, go show them some love on their YouTube channel, which is located here, or again, I'll put a link in the description. So let's get to the unboxing of the products that we have here. So guys, as you notice in the background, everything looks fuzzy. I do have the camera that has the distortion issue and the audio's a little off. That's why if you pay attention when you see the knife cut and the noise it makes, it's a little behind, but that's just an issue with this camera. So here's the packaging. It's all nice, really good pack, and here's the part number on the back. Now guys, when it comes to the part number, I want y'all to pay attention to the information offered on their website, that not only does this work on GM and the LS version stuff, it does work on Mopar stuff too. So be sure and check out their website for exactly which one you need, because they have, you know, various different ones to offer. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up and we'll take a little look. But I reached out to Jamie and let him know that we were about to do a valve spring upgrade on the Bad Attitude C10, and yeah, I mean, they were right on board with it. And them having the USA made product and having a lifetime warranty, I mean, it was pretty much a no-brainer. And I mean, I'm just glad that they decided to partner with us. So when you first open it up, you do see that they do have an instruction page in here, and at the top where my finger was, you can see proudly made in the USA. And down here on the bottom, if you would like to become a dealer, it has an email address that you can reach out and contact them and let them know that you're interested. So at first glance, I want y'all to know the cool thing about it is they even cover the threads on the bolt that's installed. I mean, they take care in what they're doing, and you know, it just shows. Now here's the logo. I know it's a little, you know, bad lighting, so hopefully you can make it out. Now the top portion that actually would go onto the valve retainers can be seen here, and it just slides over the longer bolt, which we'll get more into the details of how it actually works and functions whenever we do the valve spring change. I was just wanting to do a quick unboxing and let you see what they got. So here's the spacer that will actually go between the stand and the head itself, and that'll put you at the right height. And as you can tell, they're slotted so you can position them and get them centered over the valve springs. Now it does come with the hardware, as you can see here, with the washers that will screw into the head. There's two of them, and in addition to that, I mean, they think everything through, and they send an extra long bolt, you know, for the compression setup, and they send a washer and a nut for that you use to actually compress the valve springs down, and they send an extra nut just in case. So I mean, they're keeping in mind that, you know, hey, stuff happens, and here's you some extra stuff just in case, you know, something was to happen. But again, if the part itself ever fails, as it states, that's lifetime warranty. So if you get a chance, Bluegrass Performance Parts, go check out what they have to offer on their website, and I'll see you next time.